Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let us continue the polynomials, remaining questions of the polynomials by AN. Okay, today's motivational quote is जो बाहर से सुनेगा वो बिखर जाएगा, जो अंदर से सुनेगा, अंदर मीन्स आत्मा, सोल से सुनेगा वो निखर जाएगा, संवर जाएगा. Okay, listen to your soul always. Okay, let us continue with this positive thought. Let us continue our problems. Obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are given. Two zeros are given, root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. Okay, what is the polynomial given here? Given polynomial is 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, what we have to compare this polynomial by ax power 4 plus bx cube plus 3x power square plus dx plus e. Okay, compare this polynomial by this. What is the value of a here? 3. E value will be 6. C value will be minus 2, D value will be minus 10, E value will be minus 5 here. And two roots have been given. Two roots are given. Okay, now what are the two roots? Root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. What we know is sum of the roots? Sum of roots. Okay, root 5 by 3 plus minus root 5 by 3 plus alpha plus beta equals to what is in the coefficient form? Minus b by a. We know this, so add. This value gets cancelled. This value gets cancelled, and what will be the alpha plus beta value will be minus b, minus 6 by 3. What this value becomes? 3 ones, 3 twos. So what this value becomes? Minus 2. So what this value becomes? Alpha plus beta value becomes minus 2. This is equation 1. Now again root 5, product of roots. Product of roots. What are the product of roots? Root 5 by 3 into minus root 5 by 3 into alpha into beta equals to e by constant term by coefficient of x square, e by a. Multiply these two, minus 5 by 3, this value becomes into alpha beta to what is e factor here? Minus 5. Minus 5, what is the value of a? 3. What is the value of a here? 3. So minus 5 by 3. Sorry, 5 minus 5 by 3. Now what is the value of alpha beta? Cancel this out. This value is cancelled with the minus also sign also. This value will be cancelled. What is alpha into beta? This value becomes 1. Now consider this as equation 2. Now continue. Now what we got? Alpha plus beta equals to minus 2. Alpha into beta equals to 1. Now we have the formula. Previous lessons we have learned. A minus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. We have learned this formula. Now write in terms of alpha and beta. Alpha minus beta whole square equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha into beta. Now substitute these terms. Alpha minus beta whole square equals to alpha plus beta value minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1. What this value becomes? 4 minus 4. This value becomes 0. Means alpha minus beta whole square value becomes 0. Means alpha minus beta value is also 0. Okay. Now consider this as equation 3. Okay. My by adding equation 1 plus equation 3, we get what is equation 1? Alpha plus beta equals to -2 and alpha minus beta equals to 0. Okay, add these two. Add means this value cancel. 2 alpha equals to -2. What is the value of alpha? Alpha value is -1. Alpha value is -1. This is one of the one root. Okay, two roots we got already in the question. This is the consider one root or third root, it's your wish. Okay, now put alpha equals to -1 in equation 3. Put this value in equation 3. Okay, we have considered equation 3 means this. Okay, -1 minus beta equals to 0. Here -1 equals to beta. Okay, beta value taking like this means beta value becoming like this means -1 -1 is the value of beta. So this is the another root. This is another root. One root means this is third root, this is fourth root. Okay, now the four roots of the equation are root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3 minus 1 are four roots of equation. Sorry, four roots of a given polynomial. Okay, comes to the other question. T square minus 3 divided by 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. We have to divide this. This is the value g of x we got. This is the value p of x we got. So divide this. T square minus 3 divide this value with 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Now 2t power 4 divided by t square. Now this value becomes 2 times means 2t square. Now divide 2t square, multiply this value with t square minus 3. This value becomes 2t power 4 minus 2t square. Okay, I am multiplying here because for you simply to understand. I can multiply here directly, but it will be confused for you, so I am multiplying separately. And this value becomes 6t square. 2 3 6 minus 6t square. Sorry, I have did mistake here. Okay, 2t square and multiplying value will becomes 2t power 4 and t square term, so write here 6t square here. Okay, for you not to be confused, so that's why I'm multiplying here separately. Now subtract here. This value gets cancelled. Again this value becomes minus into plus, minus into minus, this value becomes plus 3t cube plus 4t square minus 9t. I'm putting this value down here. Now again divide 3t cube by the first term t square, means this value cancel, means this value becomes 3t. Now again multiply 3t with these terms, 3 square minus 3, 3t cube minus 3 3 is 9t. Okay, now write here means place 3t and this value becomes 3t cube minus 9t. Okay, again subtract this value, cancel this out, minus into minus, this value becomes plus, means this value is also cancel out and this value comes down 4t square. This value, take this value towards down, means minus 12, and again divide 4t square by t square, first terms. This is the first term and this is also the first term, means this value is also cancel out. Cancel this value out, this value becomes 4, means you have to write plus 4 here, and 4 into t square minus 3 means this value becomes 4t square minus 12. Now write here 4t square minus 12. Now subtract this value gets cancelled, minus into minus, this value becomes plus. If these values also get cancelled, this value is becoming 0. What we got? Q of x value becomes 2t square plus 3t plus 4, and r of x value becomes 0 here. Okay, this is the required answer that we got. Okay, comes to next question. Now comes the other question. X square plus 3x plus 1, 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. This is the value of g of x that we got, that we has been given, and p of x, this value is also given, and we have to find out q of x and r of x we have to find out. Okay, let us continue. X square plus 3x plus 1, and divide this value as 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Now divide 3x power 4 by first term here. So x square, what this value becomes? X square, cancel it with 2x, means this value becomes 3x. So we have to write 3x square. This value becomes 3x square. So 3x square. So multiply 3x square with x square plus 3x plus 1. What this value becomes? 3x power 4 plus 3 3s 9x cube plus 3x square. Yeah. Now write these all values down of this. So 3x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. Okay, this value becomes minus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into plus, this value becomes minus. Minus into plus, this value also becomes minus. So cancel this out. This value gets cancelled. Minus 9x cube plus 4x cube minus 4x cube, and minus 7x square minus, this means minus 10x square, and take this value also down, plus 2x. Okay, again divide minus 4x cube with the first term by x square. Okay, what this value becomes? X square means 1x left over, 3 here there, so 1x left over. So again multiply minus 4x with these terms, x square plus 3x plus 1. So minus 4x cube, this value becomes plus, minus into plus, this value is minus into plus, minus 4 3 is 12, x square minus 4x. Okay, write this value here down, minus 4x cube minus 12x square minus 4x. Now subtract minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, plus, minus into minus, this value becomes plus. So this value cancel this out, and plus 12 minus 10 plus 2x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 6x. Now also take this value as down. Okay, now again divide 2x square by x square. What the values comes? X square cancel this, and value comes 2. So multiply these 2 with these terms, x square plus 3x plus 1, 2x square plus 6x plus 2. Now write this value here, 2x square plus 6x plus 2. Yeah, what are the values comes? Minus means this value becomes minus, this is minus, this is minus, plus 2x minus 2x, this value cancels, plus 6x minus 6x, this value cancels, plus 2x minus 2, this value cancels. So what is the final answer? We have got 0. So what I did not write here. Sorry, plus 4x plus 2. I did not write this here, okay. I have written now. I did a mistake here, don't worry, okay. This is the answer. Okay, what we get q of x is 3x square plus 4x plus 2, and what is the value of r of x? We got 0. Okay, this is the required answer that we got here. Okay, now let us continue with other question. Sorry, this value becomes minus 4x plus 2. This value becomes like this. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by the polynomial g of x, the coefficient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Find here g of x. What we know by division algorithm, what we know, p of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x, division algorithm of polynomials. It's not necessary, but for you to remind, p of x equals to g of x, q of x into q of x plus r of x. What it has been given, p of x values is given minus 3x x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. G of x value is given, but g of x's value is not given. We have to prove what is the g of x value, and q of x minus 2, and what is r of x minus 2x plus 4. Okay, now we have to find g of x value here. What is this value becomes x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and equals to g of x into x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. Now write here only minus 2x plus 4. What this values becomes, 1 minute, what this values becomes, this is the multiplication, no? So put x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This value becomes 2x minus 4, that is equals to g of x into x minus 2. Now this values becomes x cube minus 3x square 2x plus 2x plus 3x, this value, and this value minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 equals to g of x into x minus 2, g of x into x minus 2. This values becomes like this. So g of x equals to, this multiplication value comes here, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. So this values becomes minus 2. So we have to divide these two and we'll get the value g of x value. Now divide it. Now let us continue division. Divide x cube by the first term x. So what will the value becomes, x square. So write here x square. Now multiply x square with x minus 2. X cube minus 2x square, x cube minus 2x square. So what this value becomes, x cube minus 2x square. Now subtract this, minus into minus plus. Okay, this value will be, cancel this out, this value will be cancelled out, and this value becomes minus 3 plus 2 minus x square. Now put these values also down, plus 3x, again x divided, sorry, x square minus x square, take minus x square divided by x. So what this value becomes, x cancel, this is minus x value, so this value becomes minus x right here. So multiply minus x with this term, x minus 2 means minus x square plus 2x. So minus x square plus 2x. Yeah, what this value, subtract, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, so cancel this out, this value will be cancelled, and 3x minus 2x x, and again put this value down, minus 2. So what this value, x by x becomes 1, means we have to write plus 1. So this value becomes x minus 2, cancel this out, this value cancelled. So what the remainder becomes, 0, means what is the value of g of x here, g of x becomes x square minus x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1. So we find we found g of x value. So this is g of x value. This completes the chapter. Okay, let us continue with the next chapter in next video. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any of the doubts, if you want to comment any of the doubts, you can please comment me the answer. Okay, thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.